Okay, here we have another student question, and I think this is an excellent question, a little bit tricky, so we're going to go through it here. We have a complex rational expression that we need to solve, and we can do it any method we want to. So I tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the method where we multiply every fraction by the common denominator. So in this case, our common denominator would be x plus 16 and x minus 4. So I'm going to multiply every single term by x plus 16, x minus 4. So this will take me just a minute to write it out here. So x plus 16 times x minus 4, x plus 16 times x minus 4, and x plus 16 times x minus 4. Alright, now by doing that, I can look to see what's happening with each term. So here with our first term on the top, the x plus 16s will cancel, and we're left with x minus 4 times x minus 8. Then we have plus. Now for our second term here, the x minus 4's cancel, and we have x minus 8 times x plus 16. Now that's all we have left in the numerator there. So now divided by, here in this first term in the denominator, nothing cancels. So anything times 1 is itself. So this would be x plus 16 times x minus 4 minus, for our second term, the x minus 4's will cancel. So we have minus 4 times x plus 16. Alright, now this is a matter of we have to multiply everything out before we can collect our like terms. So when we distribute this first set of binomials, that's going to give us x squared minus 8x minus 4x plus 32. Then we have plus. Now we're going to distribute out our second set of binomials also, so that would be x squared plus 16x minus 8x minus 8 times 16 is 128. Divided by. Now on the bottom we're going to have to multiply out our binomials here also. So this would be x squared minus 4x plus 16x minus 16 times 4 is 64. And then we have minus, we're going to run our negative 4 through here. So it would be negative 4x minus 4 times 16, again, is 64. Now it's a matter of collecting like terms. So in our numerator here, for x squareds, we've got x squared and an x squared, which would be 2x squared. And for our x's, we have minus 8 minus 4 plus 16 minus 8, which would be minus 4x. So we've used all of those. And then we've got plus 32 minus 128 would be minus 96. Now let's do the denominator. So for our x squared, we only have that one x squared term, so this would be x squared. And for our x's, we have minus 4 plus 16 minus 4, which is going to give us a plus 8x's. Now we're done with the x's. And minus 64 is minus 128. Now, our last step is always to simplify, but we can't see what we can simplify until everything is factored. So I'm going to pull a 2 out of this numerator here, which will leave us with x squared minus 2x minus 48 all over the x squared plus 8x minus 128. And now we can factor this down probably. Let's see, this will factor into x and x minus 8 plus 6. And for our denominator, this will factor into x times x plus 16 minus 8. Now we can cancel common factors top and bottom, and we're left with an answer of 2 times x plus 6 over x plus 16. I hope that this has helped.